If you're sitting bored in your cab all day and you need something to get you through your day, check out Sweat and Grime on any of your podcasting platforms. We geared it to be entertaining and focused on the trades. We're not trying to teach you anything. We're not trying to get you to have a phenomenal working business. We just want you to have a good time. So check us out, Sweat and Grime, on any of your podcasting platforms. We appreciate it. Now, here's your video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty. Ethan is going to show us how to use a Pro Rod. So whenever you are looking for utilities, or like today we're looking for a sanitary lead, the Pro Rod is going to be your best friend. The way you're going to do this is, we know we're looking for a 4-inch diameter pipe. So what Ethan's doing is moving over about 2.5 to 3 inches every time, and then he's slowly going to run that Pro Rod down into the ground. And when you feel something, you're going to notice he's tapping it. And that tapping is going to either, if it's a rock, most of the time, unless it's a good sized rock, if it's like a pebble, that tapping will kind of move it out of the way of the probe rod and you can keep rolling. But sometimes when you run up against your pipe, you're going to feel that tap, and it's going to resonate in the pipe. And so you're actually going to feel that in the probe rod. And so anyone who says construction workers are not touchy-feely people is totally full of it, because using a probe rod is completely about being touchy and feely. So if he thinks he's found it, you're going to notice if he thinks he's found it, he's going to put that probe rod down on the pipe. He's going to pinch his fingers on the probe rod and pull it out, so we've got a good feel for how deep we need to be. So it turns out that wasn't the pipe after all. And this is also where, if you think you've got it but you're not sure, you can actually angle your probe rod around a little bit, forward, backwards, in all directions, and that'll help you also determine whether or not you're hitting a rock or a pipe. So that's all there is to using a probe rod. And what we're going to do is, if he goes all the way across our trench here in 2.5 to 3 inch increments and doesn't feel anything, doesn't see like he hits anything, we'll dig down another foot probably, and then we will re-probe rod all the way across the trench again, and that's how we're going to locate our pipe. So that's all I've got for today. I hope this helps you guys. We'll catch you on the next Down and Dirty.